Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to buy VWCE on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using the web interface for this. First, head to the Interactive Brokers website and click the red login button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password, then clear the two-factor authentication when it pops up. You'll land in the client portal. Now, look to the top right of the page, you'll see a search box. Click into it. This is where we'll find VWCE. Instead of searching by ticker, paste in the ISIN code. That's IE00BK5BQT80. The ISIN is the globally unique identifier for this fund, so it takes you straight to the right ETF without any confusion. Hit enter. You'll see multiple results pop up, same fund, different exchanges. Pick the listing that matches your trading currency. If you've funded your account in euros, go with VWCE on Xetra or Euronext Amsterdam to avoid an extra currency conversion. If you're using a different currency, choose the exchange where you have trading permissions enabled. Click on your chosen listing. The order ticket slides out. Make sure Buy is selected. It should be highlighted by default. Now enter the number of shares you want to buy in the quantity field. IBKR supports fractional shares on VWCE, so you can buy as little as 0.0001 of a share if you want, but whole shares work fine too. Next, click the order type dropdown. You'll see Market, Limit, Stop, and Stop Limit. For most people, limit order is the way to go. It sets a maximum price so you don't get a bad fill during low volume. Select limit. Once you do that, the limit price field appears. Enter your maximum acceptable price, set it slightly above the current ask price to make sure your order fills. You can check the current ask on the right side of the screen. Now click Preview Order at the bottom of the ticket. The preview screen shows you the commission and total cost. Double check everything, quantity, price, exchange, all of it. If it all looks good, click Submit, Buy Order. You'll get a confirmation message on screen, and IBKR will send you an email once the order executes. Your VWCE shares will show up in your portfolio immediately as pending. The cash debits from your account on settlement, which is 2 business days after the trade. To check your holdings, just click into the portfolio section. You'll see the ISIN, the exchange, and the trading currency all listed there so you can verify everything went through correctly. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.